بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کا نام لے کر جو بڑا مہربان نہایت رحم والا ہے.
Cry.
If you cry, tears come from your eyes, usually because you are unhappy or hurt, etc. Don't cry, walkers. It'll be okay.
रोना मत वकास, ये ठीक हो जाएगा.
Cry your eyes. Be extremely sad and cry a lot. I was so upset that day, I cried my eyes out.
मैं उस दिन बहुत परेशान था, मैंने अपनी आंखों से पकारा.
Cry yourself to sleep. Cry until you fall asleep. That night he cried himself to sleep.
उस रात वो सोने तक आंसू बहाता रहा.
Weep.
To cry quietly for a long time, especially because you feel very sad. His mother put her head on the table and wept.
उसकी माँ ने टेबल पर सर रखा और रोने लगी.
Sob.
To cry noisily and your body shakes, because you are very sad or someone has upset you. He began sobbing uncontrollably.
उसने बेकाबू होकर सिसकियों का आगाज किया.
Bawl.
To cry loudly, especially in an unpleasant and annoying way. He was bawling his eyes out.
वो बहुत तेज तेज रो रहा था.
Snivel.
To cry slightly in a way that is weak and does not make other people feel sympathy for you.
A small boy was snivelling on a chair.
एक छोटा लड़का कुर्सी पर सिसकियां लेकर रो रहा था.
Whimper.
To make a series of small, weak sounds expressing pain or unhappiness. I said she couldn't have an ice cream and she started to whimper.
मैंने कहा कि उसके पास आइसक्रीम नहीं हो सकती और वो रे रे करने लगी.
This channel is based on knowledge. Subscribe, like and share British Institute please. It is all for you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
ये चैनल इल्म पर मुबनी है. बराह करम ब्रिटिश इंस्टीट्यूट को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक और शेयर करें. ये सब आपके लिए है. शुक्रिया और अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.